My name is Mr. Robert Rapha. I am a full-time math instructor here at Eastern Gateway Community College. We started the Emporium spring of this year, so mid-January when the spring term started. We did our first complete semester that ended at the end of May, and we're in the middle of the summer term for our second semester. What a Math Emporium does for students is that you're able to work at your own pace. If you need help, with a lot more help with a certain segment of the course, you would spend that much more time. If you get it really quickly, you understand it, don't need a lot of help, you could fly through it, and you work at your own pace. That's the real benefit of this type of setting as opposed to a classroom setting, because now you don't have to set a pace. The students set their own pace. It's not an online class. Everything's done on the computer, but it's not an online class because they still have to be here present to take the test with passwords that the instructors have to give them. The really nice thing about it is they don't have to be here just during class time. We have instructors/tutors available Monday through Friday from 8 in the morning to 8 at night. So if they can't come during class time, they could always come at any other time, and there'll be plenty of help for the students to get assistance to get through the class that they need to get through. 3x plus 4y.
My journey through Eastern Gateway Community College, especially in the Math Emporium, was one that really assisted me. As an adult returning to an educational pursuit, it's been 20 years since I used algebra, and to be able to come in the Math Emporium where it is all-inclusive and yet instructors are there, you can work at your own pace, there's videos, there's homework, everything's accessible online. And yet when you come in the Math Emporium, the instructors are always there, more than one, to help you and walk you through those areas where you're getting stuck.
So you're basically taking both times 10.
My experience in the Math Emporium, it was great. The instructors were able to help me whenever I needed help. I was able to proceed at my own pace. I was able to get done quicker than in an actual classroom. I got done during midterms, so I was able to take my focus off of my math class after midterms and was able to focus on the rest of my classes, so that was a big plus for me.
Just give me two numbers that multiply to 72. You're going to have to work at math no matter what setting you're in, whether you're in a classroom setting or whether you're in this environment. But in this environment, at least, that you could get the extra help you need, or you don't. If you don't need the extra help, you don't have to sit around and wait while everybody gets that extra help.
Being able to finish my algebra course sooner in the Math Emporium has allowed me to focus my energies on other courses that are writing intensive.
All the feedback has been really positive. They like the fact that if they understand something, they could just move on without waiting for someone that needs more help. And if they need more help, they don't feel like they're different in the classroom setting, in a typical classroom setting. Like, they don't feel like out of place. Very positive both ways.
I would recommend the Math Emporium for everybody.